How to change address after order on Amazon. Hey there, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can make changes with the address. In order to make changes with the address after order on Amazon, you'll need to open up a web browser first of all. After that, on the web address bar, type in amazon.com and then log into your account. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on top, there is an option as return and order. Click on it. It's going to direct you to the page where you'll be able to see the order that you've made throughout the year. In order to change an order, you need to go towards the item, click on the edit button if there is an option. So after that, you can make changes with the information by tapping on the address. Now make changes with the address. After that, you might also be receiving a confirmation stating that the address has been changed for that particular order or for that particular item. So if you're sure about it, then click on the yes button. After that, address has been changed on the order. However, not all orders can be updated with a new shipping address, especially if the order is already in a shipping process. In such cases, you may contact the Amazon customer service for assistance or considering rerouting the package through the courier if possible. Now, despite of doing all of these procedures, if you're still unable to fix it, then what you can do is you can simply cancel the product. You can order the same product with an updated information. So in this way, you can change address on Amazon after order. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.